Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorials, and on today's tutorials we'll be looking at how to do a quick and effective market research using Grok and Chatgpt. Before I continue, if you find the content helpful, do well to buy an educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address is on the description of this video. And now, Grok is the AI built into X, formerly Twitter. It's designed to give you real-time insights, trending conversations, and quick answers directly from what people are discussing online. While ChatGPT is an advanced AI model by OpenAI, unlike Grok, it doesn't just show you trends, it helps you analyze, organize, and structure information. So today we'll be using Grok AI first, and if you need to have your Twitter account here, that's X, and I click on my X and I allow it to load, then I click on this the middle icon here, and as you can see, this is Grok AI's interface. It is quite smooth and easy to use. So you've opened Grok, and all you need to do is, okay, let's say demonstrate a prompt, and probably I want to use summarize the top conversation around Ethereum L2 scaling this week, and I click on enter. So you wait for it to load, and there you go. It shows you overview of Ethereum L2 scaling conversations, September 9th to 16th. It's still loading everything up. Alright, so this is literally the summary of top conversations around Ethereum layer 2 scaling this week. It is very useful, and what Grok does is it gives social sentiment plus trending narrative. And see, you really use Grok when you need fresh real-time conversations. Now that's all for Grok. The next thing I'll do is go onto my Chatgpt, and all I need to do is have maybe the Chatgpt application, or I use it directly from any browser, and I'll be using my Chrome browser this time. I click on Chrome, and as you can see, I have ChatGPT over here. I click on ChatGPT. Just in case you do not have it, all you need to do is write chatgpt.com on the search bar, and we wait for it to load. Alright, ChatGPT says, what can I help with? And like the first time we did with Grok, we had to type in the same thing, so we'll be typing in the same thing: summarize the opportunities and risks in Ethereum layer 2 solutions, and we wait for it to load. And as you can see, ChatGPT is literally so fast, and you see every opportunities listed here: scalability and lower fees, mass adoption potential, innovation playground, security anchoring to Ethereum, liquidity and interoperability. There's risks, the centralization concerns, liquidity fragmentation, economic security and fee market dynamics, and a whole lot. And ChatGPT, at the end of it all, it summarizes everything for you and says, bottom line, Ethereum layer 2s are unlocking scalability and real world adoption, but they are in a transitional phase, still centralizing, bridge dependent and fragmented. Long-term success depending on decentralizing infrastructure, securing bridges, and aligning L2 growth with Ethereum base layer security and incentives. And ChatGPT gives organized, contextual and structured report. For a bonus tip on ChatGPT, you could ask for bullet points, pro and cons, or probably a SWOT analysis. Then you can combine both tools side by side. That's having Grok, which gives like a pulse of the community and news cycle, and having ChatGPT, which gives like the structured strategic breakdown. And let me just give an example of a workflow for you. Like, ask Grok what's the trending NFT gaming this week. Like, ChatGPT could be like, create a 3 paragraph market report on NFT gaming opportunities based on trends, and you would definitely get speed plus the depth in minutes. And you can also apply and document your findings. You save the summaries from here, like you could see over here. You could save, you could click on these 3 boxes here. You could brand in a new text, or you click on here, it tries to share it to maybe somewhere on try to say somewhere maybe to persons on your Slack team, or Discord, or WhatsApp, or whatever social media platform you are using. And the conclusion of this video is that while using your AI models, both Grok or ChatGPT, all you need to do is you use Grok for real-time charts and use ChatGPT for structured analysis, and they are both effective for your market research. And a call to action could be, you could use this for your workflow for probably your decentralized autonomous organization, startup, or project, or using it to have a deep knowledge on effective market research. But if you found this helpful, follow, subscribe for more tutorials from SMC DAO on SMC Tutor on our YouTube page. Do have a lovely day. Thank you and bye.